Becky?
516. Before we get to that one, I want you to hold that one, but I want you to explain why this one worked another way. She said we needed to have 4 tiles on this side and 4 tiles on this side. Can somebody explain why that one worked in a different way? Madeline, can you explain that for us?
Because 8 times 4 tiles equals 32, and on the other side, if 10 times 3 equals 30 plus 2 equals 32.
Can you go up and write that on the board for us? Put the numbers underneath where the tiles are and then write those equations for us. Let's look at what he's telling us when he gets it up on the board. Madeline, why don't you just put the numbers under the one where the tiles are? That'll save you some time, honey. Okay. And now, can you write something up there to show us why that works? See what he's done?
Yes.
Thank you, Madeline. He has a number sentence on both sides, doesn't he? Over on this side, he came up with 8 because he went down 8 times 4 because he has 4 tiles. And he knew that 8 times 4 equals 32. When I started out with just a 2 over here, what do you suppose Madeline thought to himself to figure this out? Blair?
He needs something to add up to 32.
He needs something to add up to 32, and since we already have 2, now he needs something that will add up to, Blair?
30.
30. And that's why he came over here and put 3 on the 10. Now, Becky, a minute ago, you had a different solution. Would you go up and do that one for us? Erase that and do the one that you have. Now, can you write a number sentence underneath to show us how that works? Becky used that same principle. She wanted it to equal 32 on both sides. So she knew that we had a 2 here, and she knew another way to make 30 was 5 times 6. Now I know there was at least one group in here who tried this and it didn't work exactly, but it should have, and that might be because your balance wasn't exactly even, or maybe the floor is a little uneven. But this one should work as well. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to give you another envelope, and it's going to have another problem.
Jenny now
for you
gives
to
the
do.
students another problem, as you see
I
here.
want you to think about it.
They again analyze it. Let's look now at Susie's thinking as she responds to the problem.
Yeah. I left your side alone and just put, on the 2 I put 1, on the 3 I put 1, and then on the 4 I put 1, and then on the 5 I put 2.
We had 3 here and 1 here. Susie, would you come and put what you have on the other side? Draw up here what you did get. Can you write a number sentence for that for us, Susie? Okay, then let me help you. What do you have here?
1 in the ones place.
So write 1. You're going to add it to this. What do you have here?
A 1.
In
A 2's
2. So you 1 plus 2 plus plus plus. If you want to write this, you don't have to do a multiplication. You could write 5 plus 5 if you wanted to. Add that up and see what you get. You boys and girls at your seats could be adding this up to see if it comes up to 21. Came up to